Right, down here at Earlswood again. Nice early morning. The weather is a lot better to the last time we was down here. And if you haven't guessed from the amount of bait behind me, today we're going to be looking at Spoding, sloppy Spoding over Zigs. I just whacked a couple of Zigs out, didn't even start Spoding yet, and I had double run straight away, and I've just nailed, absolutely nailed. I'll talk about the rigs and how I set my Zigs. I've just had two lovely fish. I've had an angry mirror and this beautiful common. Common's absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful common, absolutely mint for it. Gave me a good fight, first fish of the session on Zigs. And then the second one, as soon as that one went in the net, two fish in the same net, was this mirror, angry mirror. Not too bad. Hopefully we'll have a couple more like this to show you later on. I'll talk through the Zigs, preparation, Spoding, what to spot, and all that stuff. Hopefully we can get you a load of fish like these. Brilliant, sit back. Now, putting that bait out in the spot at an area, at a distance of 20 wraps. So what I mean is I've put my spot down at this stick and I've wrapped them round 20 times and it's 12 foot apart. So that's 4 times 20, I'll let you do the math. But I'm just going to put the fishing rod at this now, and one by one, I'll clip these up at the same distance, so my fishing rods are at the same distance as my bait spot. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, what I'll do now is clip it up, wind all the line off, and then cast it back out, and it will be all complete. The Zigs up now, get some slop over the top. So, get the spot rod, get some slop in the bottom, close it. Redo that. It's not been long. I've literally just seen me mark that rod out. I've put it out, just having a discussion where we think the fish have gone down on the bottom because the they've moved. And just as putting the last rod after clipping up, it's just ripped off on the spot. So going alright at the moment. Pulling alright this bit. Just pulling along. Just play the fish, because you've got tight pegs here at Earlswood, so I'm just keeping the rod nice and low, in line with the water, and that way it's going to stay nice and straight, so it's not going to get caught in anyone else's lines, including myself. Play it nice and steady. Give them a bit of pressure. We've got size 6 hooks, £15 line on. Fish just stay nice and straight. Pull a bit of line, going straight, but bringing it back now. In a minute we'll show you my rigs and bait. You need to have plenty of them.
Come on, quick.
I think it's about 80 yards fishing range. It's 20 wraps. Nice comfortable fish. Open it to open now. Alright, what is go. Thank you, Dylan. Oh, bad fish are getting bigger. Yeah, the reason absolutely nailed again. Absolutely nailed. The reason that was fighting so hard is because it was wrapped around its fin, but hooked in the mouth, not foul hooked. Nailed in the mouth. That I've got so much confidence and I can play them hard because I know these fish are nailed every single time. There's my size 6 hook, red and yellow Zigger liner.